Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Vijay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Good morning, Pradyush. Good morning, Sanitya. How is everybody doing?
Ma'am, great.
Great. You were not there yesterday, Sanitya. Everything fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any special reason for not attending yesterday's class?
Ma'am, I was not well.
Okay. How are you now then? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we have Divyansh also in the class today. Divyansh, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
You're not taking classes these days?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Why?
used to take classes from my grandfather's room, but
Okay.
he died due to COVID the last month.
Hmm?
So I used to attend the classes from laptop, and there were very difficulties in that. So
Hmm?
now we have opened my grandfather's room, so now I will be regular.
Okay. So now everybody is fine at home? Everybody fine at home, beta?
Yes,
Divyansh?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. How is Ojasvi Didi? Good?
I'm sleeping.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. First your attendance and then we start with the class. Class, would you like to continue with history or you would like to, like this is today's geography class, so would you like to have a geography chapter or
Ma'am, continue with history.
continue with history? Okay, this is what I was expecting. Very good. Fine, we'll continue with history, but before that, let me take your attendance. B section. Right, today is 9th of June. Right, Adarsh. Is Adarsh there in the class? No. Abhinath.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Prachi. Abhinav. Akshat Sharma.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. Ankur Gangwar. Aryan Bhardwaj.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Divyansh Jain.
Present, ma'am.
Fatima. Fatima is present. Yes. Ishan Johri. Karthik. Okay. Karthik Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Lavish is not there. Madhav is not there. Manjot Kaur.
Present, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Prachi. Then we have Pratyunsh. Pratyunsh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. We have Priyansh also. Priyansh Agarwal. Urvashi is not there. Rakshit Solanki.
Present, ma'am.
Rishabh Gangwar not there. Rohan Rastogi.
Present, ma'am.
How are you?
And I'm fine.
Good. And how is Ruchi Didi?
Ma'am, she's also fine.
She's also good. Very good. Sanidhya.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Shaurya is not there. Shreya Singh. Is Shreya Singh there? No. Shrey Shivankar not there. Ursula not there. Yuvraj is not there. Yuvraj Singh Gill is not there.
Present, ma'am.
Yuvraj Singh Gill is there. Yuvraj Singh Gill is there. Okay, Yuvraj is present. Then we have Vanshraj. Is there any Tanu in
Present,
your
ma'am.
class? Okay, is there any Tanu in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
But is she attending her all classes? I don't think if she's attending. Fine. Tell me whether the screen is clear to you all or not.
Ma'am, made it.
Give me a minute. Can you see the board?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it clear? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. How to pin myself? Right. I think yesterday, up till this ban on shifting cultivation, I explained you all,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything out of these three that we have done not clear or understood?
No, ma'am.
This
I'm
is
all
all clear,
understood.
all clear and understood, no? Fine. Okay. Now coming to the next point. It is about the
Ma'am, we were supposed to make this in the notebook.
yes, beta. I think you all have noted it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji. Others? Good morning, beta.
Yes, ma'am. We have noted.
Fine. Sarida, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And if you have taken, let me know because I have to erase one part of it so that I can carry on with the next part.
Yes, ma'am. I have taken.
Taken? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a
Ma'am,
minute.
this blue one is not clear.
Blue one is not clear. What to do now?
Ma'am, we can relate it.
Huh?
That part. Ma'am, we can relate that part.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
You can take a screenshot.
Yeah, ma'am. Click.
Click. Okay. Class, you need to keep your notebooks and pencils ready. I am writing the fourth part of this rise of commercial forestry. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Fine. Can you see this side though?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
will write prohibition. We will write prohibition on hunting after Forest Act. Got it? Now, see, once the Forest Acts were made, after that, this hunting was made illegal. And not everybody was allowed to go for hunting. We all know that the tribal groups which were there, they they dependent on hunting for many purposes, like the skin of the animal that they used to take out, that was used for various purposes, right? So hunting was done for the purpose of getting the hide, the skin of the animals, especially leopard, deer. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
So when this was made, the customary practices which were there, the customary practices which were there, they were prohibited. Now because of ban on hunting, what happened, many of the tribals, they became rebellious, and we all know the hunting is a very old, age old practice in our country. All the rulers, those who were there in the country, they always were involved in hunting. You must have heard, kings going for hunting in the forest areas, right?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So customary practices were prohibited uh, because of the Forest Act, and hunting, which was there, it was a age-old practice of the Indian culture, right?
Yes.
Fine. These 3 points you write, and then we'll proceed on to the next part. Done, beta? Class done?
Ma'am, done.
Done? All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. बोलो बच्चे. Beta, say it. What were you saying?
Ma'am, I was saying that I have done.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now, up till here, whatever we have done, let us do the reading of that. Okay. Do you all have your books with you?
Okay.
Do you all
Yes,
have?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let us have Rohan doing the reading. Rohan,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, please start reading.
Ma'am, can you tell from where?
From the beginning of the chapter. We have not started the reading yet.
Okay, ma'am. Forest, society, and colonialism. Take a quick and clothes, spices in your food, the cellophane wrapper of your toffee, tendu leaves in bindis, gum, honey, coffee, tea, and rubber. Do not miss out the oil in chocolate which come from sal seed. The tannin used in to convert skin and hides into leather, or the herb and root used for medicinal purpose. Forest also uh, provide bamboo, wood for fuel, grass, charcoal, packaging, fruit, flowers, animals, bird, and many other things. In the Amazon forest or in the Western Ghats, it is possible to find as many as 500 different plants species in one forest patch. A lots of diversity in fast disappearing between 100 and 1995. The period of industrial 13.0 million square kilometer of forest or 9.3% of
Done?
yes ma'am.
Your voice is not very clear, no? Okay, no
Yes,
issues. No issues, no issues. Okay, so what does the first page tells you, the first paragraph? It tells you about?
Ma'am, that how much the forest occupies of the total world, and ma'am, that how much is disappeared, and ma'am,
Okay.
what all things we obtain from the forest, and ma'am, what are the
Ma'am,
resources?
importance of forest.
Ma'am,
Yes.
different plants in the forest.
Yes,
Species.
the various species that are there, how just a second. I think now, no. Yes. Is the screen clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
See, the first paragraph tells us completely about that how the forests are important for us, and how since past in past these forests have been used. Like when British came to India, they exploited Indian forest for their own usages, for their own purposes. Like it is written over here that the tannin used to convert skins and hides into leather, or the herbs and the roots used for medicinal purposes. Forests also provide bamboo, wood for fuel, grass, charcoal, packaging, fruits, flowers, animals, birds, many other things. Then they are telling about where we can find a good cover of forest in Amazon forest or in the Western Ghats. It is possible to find as many as 500 different plant species in one forest patch. Imagine these areas, because these areas are having thick forest cover, so we get more than 500, as many as 500 different species of plant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
They
ma'am.
are also, and they
Yes,
are
ma'am.
also telling here in the second paragraph that between 1700 to 1995, a good cover of forest disappeared because of the industrialization that happened. Not only for industries, but there were different purposes for which the forests were cleared. I hope these two paragraphs are clear to all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. You can write one question for this first paragraph. Please write down. How forests are beneficial for us? How forests are beneficial for us? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And second question you write, same question, same type of question. What are the various uses of forests? What are the various uses of forests?
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Then there is another, very good. Then there is another question for the second paragraph. Write down. Why the forest cover fast started disappearing between 1700 and 1995.
Ma'am, could you please repeat that?
Yes, why the forest cover fast started disappearing between 1700 and 1995. Done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Fine.
excuse
Written?
me.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
repeat please?
The last question.
Yes, ma'am.
Why
After
the
the
after the
disappearing between.
disappearing between 1700 and 1995.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good. Beta, now, if I forget, remind me that when we are doing the reading part, I'll give you questions as per the paragraphs, right? So that later on, we don't have to utilize time for that. Okay.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
coming to this point, why deforestation? Why deforestation happened? What were the reasons for deforestation? Can anybody tell me what were the reasons for deforestation in the country?
Ma'am, increasing population day by day.
Yes, the increasing population. And during the colonial rule, why deforestation happened?
Ma'am, because the British want, ma'am,
Ma'am,
timber plant.
Yes, yes, Sanida, complete.
Ma'am, commercial forestry.
Yes, because of, very good, Pradyunsh, because of the commercial forestry. Yes, then next.
Ma'am, the demand of oak trees and ma'am timber trees were increased very much.
Beta, oak trees were not there in India. Oak trees got over in England forests. That is why the diversion of the British came on the Indian forests, right? Chalo. Fine. See, deforestation was done for several purposes. You know what is deforestation, class?
Yes,
Cutting
ma'am.
down.
Ha. What is if I tell Rohan to explain what is deforestation, how will Rohan explain?
Ma'am, deforestation is mass cutting of trees.
It is the mass cutting of trees. Very good.
Trees.
Very good. If I ask Rakshit, how will Rakshit define deforestation?
Ma'am, the cutting down of trees in large numbers.
The cutting down of trees in large number. Fine. Very good. And you can also write that the disappearance of forest is also referred to as deforestation as it is written in the book, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when we say deforestation, we are concerned about deforestation as a problem, but it is not a problem that has been, you know, that has taken the attention of people in the recent times. But this is a problem since the time the humans started living a settled life, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
हाँ,
Ma'am.
चलिए. Now, see, मोटे मोटे उसमें let me tell you, there were 3-4 purposes for which deforestation was done during the colonial period. The first and the most important was development of railways, which I told you. Second, the wood was required for the ship industry. If you remember the first flowchart that we did, it had all those 5 points, right? Then the commercial forestry that was introduced by the British, for that also deforestation was done. Then the next reason was shipbuilding industry. For yes, beta.
Plantation of rubber and coffee tea and tea.
For the plantation purposes also, and moreover agricultural expansion also happened during the time of colonial rule. So these 5 reasons were the most important reasons for deforestation during the colonial period, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, now let us have Rakshit reading.
And from land to be improved.
Why deforestation?
Why deforestation? The disappearance of forests is referred to as deforestation. Deforestation is not a recent problem. The process began many centuries ago, but under colonial rule, it became more systematic and extensive. Let us look at some of the causes of deforestation in India.
Very good. Land to be improved. Read.
Land to be improved. In 1600, approximately 1/6 of India's landmass was under cultivation. Now that figure has gone up to about half as population increased over the centuries and the demand for food went up. Peasants extended the boundaries of cultivation, clearing forest and breaking new land. In the colonial period, cultivation expanded rapidly for a variety of reasons.
Okay, now see.
First, the British
Wait.
encouraged.
Wait, you can write a question. Why in the colonial period cultivation expanded rapidly? Give reasons. Why in the colonial period? Yeah, why cultivation expanded? What were the reasons for expansion of cultivation during the colonial period? Write down. What were the reasons of expansion? What were the reasons of expansion in cultivation during the colonial period? During the colonial period. Right? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the points that the other child will read are the points for the expansion. Can we have Ishan Johari reading? Ishan, are you there? Beta Ishan,
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
पढ़ो बेटा. हाँ जी. टाइम निकल जाएगा बेटा. चलो सानिध्य आप पढ़ो बेटा. सानिध्य,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Ma'am, from first,
हाँ, from here only.
the British directly encouraged the production of commercial crops like jute, sugar, wheat, and cotton. The demand for these crops increased in 19th century Europe, where food grains were needed to feed a growing urban population and raw materials were required for industrial production. Second, in the early 19th century, the colonial state thought that forests were unproductive. They were considered to be wilderness that had to be brought under cultivation so that the land could yield agricultural products and revenue and enhance the income of the state. So between 1880 and 1920, cultivated area rose by 6.7 million hectares.
Very
We
good.
always see that
Wait.
as a sign of
Let us,
progress,
let us
but
have
we should not.
Sanidhya ruko. Let us have Pradyunsh reading.
Okay, ma'am.
We always see the expansion of cultivation as a sign of progress, but we should not forget that for land to be brought under the plough, forests have to be cleared.
Right. They are showing you a picture here, converting sal logs into sleepers in the, sleepers on the tracks.
Yes,
Chaliye.
ma'am.
Read. Carry on, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
By the early 19th century, oak forests in England were disappearing. This created a problem of timber supply for the Royal Navy. How could English ships be built without a regular supply of strong and durable timber? How could imperial power be protected and maintained without ships? By the 1820s, search parties were sent to explore the forest resources of India. Within a decade, trees were being felled on a massive scale and vast quantities of timber were being exported from India. The spread of railway.
Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything in this not understood up till here? All clear and understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine. Why we are doing this reading? Because see, between the lines in history, civics, geography, in every subject, in every part of social studies, you get questions in between the lines. So that is why we are doing this reading. Wherever you feel a line is important and a question can come, you need to underline that. Right? Chaliye. Can we have Yugraj reading? Yugraj, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Padho beta. The spread of railways.
By the early 19th century,
Nahi
oak
beta.
forest.
In paragraph.
Second,
Second, ma'am.
हाँ.
The spread of railways from 1850s created a new demand. Railways were essential for colonial trade and for the movement of
Colonial
imperial,
trade. It is colonial trade. Okay? Yes.
imperial troops. Rural locomotives wood was needed as fuel, and to lay railway lines, sleepers were essential to hold the tracks together. Each mile of railway tracks required between 1,760 and 2,000 sleepers.
Anji. Now see, this paragraph is very important. Important in the sense, you may get, one mark questions from the paragraph. Like they may ask you that how much of the railway track how many sleepers were required for lying down a mile of railway track. So if this question comes, you need to know this answer. So what would be the answer, Prachi?
ma'am, 1762. 2006.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Rohan,
Yes, ma'am.
why railways were essential? Why railways
Ma'am,
were?
railways.
हाँ,
Railways were essential to transport goods.
हाँ. And it is written, no, railways were essential for the colonial trade and for the movement of imperial troops, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Then what created a new demand of wood supply from 1850s?
Ma'am, the spread of railways.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
please
good.
repeat.
What created a new demand of wood from 1850s?
And when the answer is the spread of rail.
Very good. See, this is how you get one, extract based questions. What was
Yes.
required? Then there is a question. What was required to run locomotives? Divyansh Jain, are you there in the class? Wait, Divyansh? Divyansh?
Ma'am, fuel.
अरे कौन सा फ्यूल चाहिए होता था? एटीएफ चाहिए था कि पेट्रोल चाहिए था कि डीजल चाहिए था? कौन सा चाहिए था? बताओ.
Ma'am, in book it is written wood was needed as fuel.
हाँ दिव्यांश, हम यही तो पूछ रहे हैं. व्हाट वाज नीडेड टू रन लोकोमोटिव्स?
No, ma'am, my earphones fell, so I couldn't hear the
Okay,
question.
fine.
Ma'am,
You
उसकी
can
help
ask.
से.
It is fine. It is fine. Okay. What were अब जो उसका ऊपर वाला above वाला पैराग्राफ है उसमें से आई एम आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. By what time oak forest in England started
Ma'am, early
disappearing?
19th
Ma'am,
century.
early
early
19th
19th
century.
Okay, by early 19th century. Very good. Why a strong and durable timber was required by the English?
Ma'am, for building ships.
Yes, for building ships. Very good. Then who went to explore the forest resources of India?
Ma'am, research
Ma'am,
party.
Search parties.
The search parties. Very good. Very good. Okay. Then fine. ये अब आप लोगों को समझ में आया ना क्वेश्चंस हिस्ट्री में किस तरीके से फ्रेम हो सकते हैं बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Very good. So let us have Vansh Raj Gill reading the third paragraph. Vansh. Vansh Raj, आपको क्लास में बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, पढ़ो बेटा. Last
Ma'am,
paragraph.
from the 1850s.
हाँ,
From the 1860s.
हाँ, third paragraph.
Yes.
Hmm.
From the 1860s, the railway network expanded rapidly. By 1890, about 25,500 kilometers of track had been laid. In 1946, the length of the tracks has increased to over 7,65,000 kilometers.
हाँ.
As the
Okay.
railway tracks spread through India, a larger and larger number of trees were felled. As early as the 1850s, in the Madras Presidency, alone 35,000 trees were being cut annually for sleepers. The government gave out contracts to individuals to supply the required quantities. These contractors began cutting trees indiscriminately. Forest around the tracks, forest around the railway tracks fast started disappearing.
Fine. So up till here we have done the reading and you know how the questions are framed. I think I have given you 4 questions or 3 questions.
Ma'am,